my favorite company.
Morning.
Morning. Hi, how you doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing great. Are you guys okay being on camera? If not, totally fine. I can cut it out. Okay. What are you guys doing? I mean, I know what you guys are doing because I'm a huge fan.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan.
Why are you a fan of ROUSH? Just turn this around.
It's automotive. It's technology. We have also a booth right here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We do test like prototype cars and components as well, but we're not a staffing agency. And I already talked to one of your colleagues yesterday because I had to stop by the booth, and I was like, please allow me to work for you guys. No, seriously. I mean, even the logo is something like, you know, all the big brands. When I see this logo, it's like, I mean, this is legacy.
See, that's good to hear.
No, seriously.
That's usually we don't get that feedback. Rather than, you know, like you said, is what are you guys doing new? What is the perception out there? How do you guys foresee us?
Exactly.
And are you a NASCAR fan or are you just a ROUSH fan of the?
I'm a ROUSH fan. I'm a race car in general fan.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be like all of this levels, but I'm originally from Germany with Turkish roots, and in Europe especially, is like, you know, Formula One is very popular. This is something that I'm very into, and my little kid is already starting with go-karting and stuff, and in the race league. This is our world.
I went to Germany, went to Stuttgart, and the big thing they told us to do is go down to where the Turkish area is and get the food. The bigger problem was they didn't speak any English.
No?
They tried to find a bunch of guys, but they finally, we were like, just bring us your famous plate. And with us Americans, we love spices.
Yes,
German
we have
food
that.
was not spicy.
We have Turkish. We have
fantastic.
That. The next time we have to travel together then probably, and I can show you around and give you like this. This is the spot where you have to go.
Oh yeah, we walked around, picked the right one, and we found some guys broken in. So you're going to go to the right restaurant. Go to this one. Right?
You want to give a quick introduction maybe to talk about your programs?
Your side of the business.
My side of the business?
Yeah.
Sure. Advanced engineering. We handle all sorts of different projects. We operate in many different spaces. So clearly automotive is one of our biggest areas, but we also operate in the aerospace, rail, marine, all those different industries. Our group in particular in advanced engineering, we do more of the one-off builds, prototypes, proofs of concept, you know, not so much production level, but you know, we definitely do the upfront design work that carries companies into the
before
second
SOP,
level.
right?
Yep.
Okay, sweet. That's awesome. So were you guys completely located everywhere? I know where you located.
Advanced Engineering is located in Livonia. We also have powertrain and chassis groups down in Dearborn. We have ORVT buildings all over.
And ORVT is on-road vehicle testing. So what our customers want is a real-world simulation. So we hire drivers and train the drivers to drive their vehicles 2 shifts a day. Then we have a soak time in between the shifts. And then we always have engineers that look at the vehicles between the shifts to find any quality issues. So there's a lot of feedback that is subjective from a driver standpoint, but then also we do find real issues, and then we do the investigation, and then a lot of times we also offer countermeasures to fix those vehicles. So we start in Michigan, that's where the corporate office is. Then we go to Las Vegas, so we can go out in the Death Valley area or downtown Las Vegas for a lot of heavy driving, city driving. We have some mountain passes there we can go to, Mount Charleston. And then we go to Colorado, and we're just south of Colorado Springs, at what they call PPIR, Heights Peak International Raceway. And again, we go off and we do routes that are going to simulate real-world use from a customer standpoint. And so we accelerate the test. We could do 100,000 miles in, say, 4 months, maybe even less, depending on the type of route we're doing. We also ballast the vehicles. We take ballast in and out, meaning like representing passengers or cargo. Because every American, they just fill the cars up to drive, right? They don't really pay attention. What really is what weight level you can go. You a trailer, boat.
Do you have like multi-shifts also, like 3-shift system during the weekend? Two shifts? Okay.
Because the third shift's out of the normal sleep pattern, so that's a safety concern.
Okay.
But the other 2 shifts are easy to do.
Okay.
And then we go to Fort Myers, Florida. So you got the hot and humid.
Yes.
And we have a salt bath down there, so you can look at corrosion issues or even moisture content, especially the new EVs. We look at that. And then when you're really up to it, we go to Bemidji, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Extreme cold.
I'm asking for a friend. I mean, my company is based in Minnesota.
Good.
In regards to the people that you hire for the driving part, do you guys outsource that part too to third parties, or do you do it
we have
internal?
a contract agency that helps us with
Right.
that, and
Okay.
we look to solicit a lot of times retired police officers,
Okay.
fire department.
Yeah.
We go to the colleges because again, you want different demographics. So
Yes.
like you do in a JD Powers evaluation. So we're looking for all that real world feedback at different age groups.
Okay.
And the other thing is we duty cycle everything in the vehicle. So we'll have a full list of the options within the vehicle with the customer. And a lot of it could be just the infotainment. You know, the interaction with their phone, what model phone, what version do you have? Is it Bluetooth? And then do you have any issues? So we want to do the whole car, not just driving.
Yes, it's basically completely our playground. So this is exactly what we do. Without the hardware and the software, most of the time our OEMs provide everything, like the whole infrastructure, the test equipment, everything. We provide sometimes the bodies, but sometimes the whole as a project itself. So that's why I was asking for a friend. If you guys need any support,
We'll put black boxes in the cars, just
Yeah.
like an airplane. So we
Yeah.
have data acquisitions, and it's not just the CAN data from like an ICE vehicle or EV. We also have our own databases. We're collecting all this information, whether it's subjective,
okay.
you know, or actual issues, and we take all the evidence, photos, videos, collect all this information.
Which data logger are you guys using from Vector? Or
Oh yeah,
Vector?
yeah.
Okay, like
Vector,
Gin, everything?
Aptiv, which is the old
Aptiv.
control tech,
Okay.
well known in the industry.
Okay,
Yeah.
sweet. Well, thank you so much
Nice
for
meeting
this
you.
little nice meeting you too.
Nice to meet you too.
And again, if you guys need anything, do you have a business card that I can maybe shoot you a message or something?
There you go.
Sweet, perfect, awesome. Thank you so much. Have a nice show.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.